This very nicely coloured vehicle is the VW Caddy Weekender 2, and as it's a weekender, one might want to sleep in it. Here's Alex from Reimo, who's gonna explain what it is.
Yeah, the Weekender in our vehicle range is usually the smaller camping equipped car. It's something you use to go for a long weekend, for a short camping trip. And what is very important about those kind of vehicles is lot of view. So if you look inside the car, nothing is really blocked. We look through open windows on both sides, big seating space for approximately 4 guys. It's no problem. And we can convert everything to a bed. So complete bed for the complete width of the vehicle. And in addition to that, we have an outside kitchen unit. You can choose between induction cooktop or the traditional gas cooktop. 2 cans of fresh water. You can have also a sink and some storage.
So the power for the induction comes from where?
Comes from the vehicle when you're plugged in at the campground.
Okay, right.
So you plug in the vehicle in the front, and then we have a power outlet right there in the side wall to connect the cooktop.
Okay, right, good. And shall we go around the side and have a look?
Yeah, go around the side, and also we have to mention the pop-top roof.
Yep.
Because this is a caddy, you can stand up inside. That's really unique.
So there we have the pop top. And
so follow me to the inside.
Yeah.
We can go in together. I just moved the table a little bit. That's the only problem with such small cars. You have to be a little bit flexible. But it's always easy.
Because this is 486 or something like that length?
It's the long caddy, so it's 4 meters and 85 centimeters.
Okay, so it's a centimeter out, okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I only can do this.
Yeah. And so we're both sitting around the table here in a rather small car, and obviously it's good that you're sitting there because we can see with the tent open and you can see where the space it gives.
Here's the top of the original roof from VW, so my head is already outside of the vehicle.
Yeah, I think mine is as well. And so
I just removed the table.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's quite hard.
Yeah, they often get
but
that way.
Now I can stand up.
Yeah.
In a caddy. Amazing.
Yes.
And even more amazing, I can sleep up here.
Mm-hmm.
So one can sleep really comfortable at the upside.
Mm-hmm.
2 downside. So for 3, very perfect. If you like to cuddle, even 2 guys can go up there.
Yeah. Right, 2 men up there and 2 women down here, something like that.
Yeah, or maybe 1 guy, 1 woman, or
well, whatever.
Whatever.
I'm very liberal. Yes. Yeah, great. And okay, so we looking down here, I see there's
12-volt power outlet.
Yeah.
Display for the leisure battery.
Yeah.
Also a USB port. USB-A, USB-C with 60 watts. So you can charge your notebook here.
60
watts power.
Wow. Okay. That's the first time I see that in a vehicle, 60 watts. First time.
Oh, I forgot to mention at the other car, with the small power unit, we also had 60 watts.
Yes. Oh, well, if you have the power stations,
Yeah,
little
the
power
car-based
stations.
power
Yeah,
station.
yeah, sure, yes.
Yeah, we
That
try
kinda-
to keep this power level from now on.
Yes. No, but that, yeah, so it's better if one can keep it on 12-volt system rather than do the conversion, which you lose the 230, and
Yeah.
then when you put it back into a computer, it's like 18.5, 19.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, good, super. And, right, so this chair I'm sitting on clearly makes a bed.
Yeah, of course. And now we can show the bed. We start this one here
Yeah,
because up here are airbags, so we can't put something in front of this place.
yes,
Only the small wood can go here. So we pull this out, put this one here, take this one, flip it,
oh, that's clever.
fills the gap,
Oh, well done, that's very well thought out.
yeah. Last piece that's missing, this one here, the single seat. Just put the table on top. And the cushion. And now I have a comfy 2-sleeper bed.
Yeah, no, that really is well thought out. It was easy to do as well, because in some vehicles that it is more than a bit complex.
Yeah, it's quite an easy puzzle. You don't have to figure out which piece goes where, because they are all unique.
Yes, yeah. No, that's very nice.
And
Good.
you even can drive with 5 people in this vehicle,
Yes,
because the original seats are still under here. So for driving, still the same comfort as before.
so 5 belted positions in
Yep.
this vehicle. And yeah, okay, that's good. Well, let's have a look at the price now.
Yep, then let's go to the price tag and do it again.
Yeah. So this is a much cheaper vehicle than most at this event.
Yeah, one of the 2 big advantages of the Caddy. The price is the first. The second of all is if a customer is not used to driving a van. This one, if you're sitting in the front, it's like you're sitting in a Golf.
Yeah.
So if you ever have driven some VW or anything, you can drive this thing the same way. Doesn't feel different. But back to the price.
Yeah, right.
Base vehicle,
Yeah, 30,000.
30,000.
Yeah.
With the furniture kit on the left side. Then all the additional extras from VW and our Reimo extras. First of all, most important one, the pop-top roof.
Yeah. Yes.
And then final price 48,590.
Yeah.
Fully converted Caddy.
Yes. Oh, that's very good. So I'll just sort of walk over and end the video with a nice shot of this, particularly as I like the colour. So thanks for watching, and you can see more vehicles from Reimo and other companies on this site.